Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RNVA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very, very nice day. Great way to close out the week. So there's certainly some updates here that need to be made. First I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that green line down there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but it's not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million annotations everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So we'll just get rid of that for now. First update, though, that needs to be made comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video analysis, hopefully remember me talking about 220 as a level of resistance. But now that the price has broken above that, and you can see when the price did break above it, that was pretty much where the floodgates opened up. This would be considered an area of support. Ideally, though, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above this $2.60 range, that would definitely make the chart look the most powerful. Now, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, what would make the chart look the most attractive? Definitely holding up above $2.60. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things and really kind of trying to boil things down to a very simplistic view, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. The easiest way to look at that is as long as the price stays above that purple line, which will continue to increase, then the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. So like I said, very straightforward way to look at the overall health of the chart. Again, as long as the price is above that purple line, everything's all good. Everything's in the bull's control. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, I'm just going to kind of split the difference here a little bit. A couple times it went a little bit above it. A couple times went slightly below it. But I'm going to call it right there at $3.15. You can see all sorts of price congestion right around this area. So key public enemy number one going into next week, $3.15. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very powerful day to day. So now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.